Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DPW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the red line annotation here is coming from. And not a whole lot of new things to report here, although it is a pretty interesting setup in terms of maybe there's some potential bottom forming. And I bring that up because you look here, and I'm going to use a little trend line here to kind of illustrate this, but the bulls have started to at least level things out, and in fact, after today, actually made a little bit of progress upwards, which is what's giving me the ability to draw this uptrending trend line. So the price not only did not go down any further today, but it actually made a little bit of progress forward, again, hence the uptrending trend line there. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish trading was this easy, just because the stock's been getting hammered and hammered, and then just because today it started to show some signs of uptrending, I can't sit here, nor can anybody else, and say this is a guaranteed bottom. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of upwards price movement? No, that wouldn't be shocking given, the current setup here, but that doesn't mean it's a guarantee of anything. So as always, risk management systems are of the utmost important here. However, like I said, very, very, very interesting setup. And if you haven't kind of connected those dots, key level of support going into tomorrow to close out the week is going to be that orange line right there. As long as the price stays above that orange line, then that implies that the lows are getting higher and higher, and that's what you want to see. In the event the price cannot hold above that orange line, then really overall the next level of support is just simply where the bleeding stopped yesterday, and that's down there at about the $2.97 mark. So again, if that orange line can hold, then odds are I'd say it's definitely going down to $3, if not lower. But like I said, if this is the beginning of some sort of bottom, then this could create a nice little bounce, because this one's definitely had nice bounces in the past. On any sort of bounce, 2 key levels of resistance to keep an eye on. Both of these I talked about yesterday, so just as a quick recap, first area of resistance, this red line here at $3.20, and the next area of resistance to focus on is that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. So yeah, like I said, interesting setup going into tomorrow. We'll see if the bulls can end the week with some sort of bounce or not.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.